guys. So I just wanted to show you a quick, easy dough project that you guys can do from home. It's called cloud dough. It's super soft. So what you're gonna need is you're just gonna need some cornstarch, and then you're gonna need any type of conditioner that you have at home. If you just want to go out to the store and just buy like the cheapest kind of conditioner that you have for like $1, less than $1 or anything, I recommend doing that just so you're not wasting your expensive hair products. So I just have the one that I had on hand at home. You'll need some food coloring, a spatula, and then also a mixing bowl. So there aren't any real exact measurements of, you know, how much to what ratio, but I just kind of put a little bit of cornstarch in. It's about a half a cup. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna add your conditioner to it. And you definitely don't want it to be too sticky. So if it is really sticky, you will just add more cornstarch. So you're just gonna mix it until you can get the right consistency. So as you can see right now, it's still really powdery. So what I will do is add in more conditioner and then kind of just mix it from there. And it does take a little bit to get the right consistency. So the right consistency would be, you know, where it's not sticking to your hands and where it's not sticking to the counter or to the side of the bowl or anything, just so you can play with it. But the cornstarch is actually a really great mixing activity for dough and that kind of stuff for people that are, you know, they are gluten intolerant, if they have celiacs, anything like that, just because cornstarch is gluten-free. So as you can see, it is getting a little bit thicker. So what I will do now is just add a little bit more conditioner and mix it all up, because if you do put this in your hand, it still is very powdery. So it just needs more of that binding conditioner. And I really like using the conditioner because it smells really good. So let me just finish putting the conditioner in there. And then I will actually show you guys the finished product. I already made some beforehand. So I can just mix that up. And then by the end of all your mixing and adding and figuring out the right ratio, you will actually come out with a dough that is very, very, very soft. It is softer than normal Play-Doh. It's softer than salt dough. So it is just very fun. It's very pliable. What I did too is I just separated the colors. So to dye your cloud dough, what I did is I made a ball. I put a big thumbprint in the middle, and then I just added, you know, as many dots of food coloring that I wanted to. And then to mix it so it doesn't get all over your hands, just make sure you fold it over. And then you can just start applying it together. You can knead it on the counter. It is just very, very soft, and it smells really good. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Cloud dough is by far my favorite dough so far that I've made. So yeah, if you guys have questions, just post them below.